Hi guys, hi Sir John and Mary, ma'am. John and Mary.
They come from the McDonald's. They deliver
We're
here in
from
Mansalay.
I would like to introduce here in Mansalay. We're selling McDonald's here to celebrate a Nutrition Month or Buwan ng Wika. I would like to welcome, hi guys! Sir, bili ka na! What do you like, sir? Chicken spaghetti or burger or spaghetti or whatever. We have available. That's available sa lahat-lahat. Yeah, English lahat yan. So sir, what you waiting for?
So you come from Pinamalayan?
Yes sir, we're
Okay.
from San Jose.
Oh, San Jose.
Yeah, of course.
I like that one better than Pinamalayan. San Jose better.
San Jose is better.
Yeah, that's a better McDonald's.
San Jose
Yeah.
is better.
Yeah.
Why sir, what do you say so?
Well, two reasons. Closer
Yes. Don't you know?
and always have good service there.
Thank you so much sir.
Yeah.
Okay, you buy and then I...
I don't know. What do we want?
Thank you so much sir, Sir John.
Burgers.
Madam, thank you so much for Mary. We're available for chicken spaghetti, one fish chicken with rice, cheesy burger, and the crispy chicken sandwich, nuggets, also available in apple pie. What do you want, sir?
I'll take the burger for sure
Yes, of course.
and chicken nuggets.
How many chicken nuggets?
Two. And two burger.
Okay, sir. I want nuggets. Wait, sir, may asamber ha. Sabog. Mag-vlogger ng Mansalay si Madam. And only regular burger, sir?
Yeah, cheeseburger?
Cheeseburger, we
Yeah,
have
two
cheeseburger.
cheeseburger,
Cheeseburger. Yes, hi madam. There is a cheesy burger, chicken spaghetti, regular burger, burger na sa akin from
cheesy burger?
McDonald's. Yes. And also we have a McCafe. Sorry, this is for me also. Charot lang. Go. Ayos kayo, sir. Only for the 20 you have also. Yeah.
Pork bun.
The apple pie. You want some apple pie? You taste some apple pie?
Yeah, I'll take actually two apple pies.
Yeah, go.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Wait for a while, sir. I'm gonna sample it. Where you from, sir?
United States.
United States.
Yeah.
I like your accent in the United States. How to speak in English. Okay na po. Thank you so much, sir.
Magandang umaga.
And Tagalog.
Kumusta ka?
Kamusta ka din, sir? Si Ma'am nagturo sa inyo, sir? Ma'am teacher that Tagalog word? You hold.
I should.